Hi, I'm Simone Xavier. I am the founder and chief creative officer of Sigma Beauty. I'm here today to introduce one more innovation to our brush cleaning line. I'm so excited to introduce this product because it's very different than everything that we've had before. All the gadgets that we've had is to wash the brushes with water and soap, and this one is different. This one is to clean your brushes dry and switch colors on your makeup table while you're doing your makeup application. The name of this product is Sigma Switch. Although I have a brush company and I have several brushes, I do have a few favorites that I like to use a lot. A little hint is two of them are in our makeup palettes, and honestly when I travel, sometimes that's all I take with me, and sometimes when I'm in a hurry on my makeup table, that's all I want to use. So I wanted to create a product that allowed me to use my favorite brushes that come in our palettes. We have a shader and a blending brush here, and switch colors between applications. Even if I'm doing a very elaborated look, I wanted to be able to touch a blue and go to a red, or a black and go to a white, without having to use multiple brushes. So this is where this product comes in. It allows me to really eliminate the previous color and put a completely new color. It doesn't matter how bold it is, and use one brush to do my entire eye look. The other thing that was important to me was to make this dual-sided. You will notice that the same textures that are in the front of the product are in the back of the product. And my rationale here is that I didn't want to be constantly cleaning it, so I wanted to be able to use it for a while before I had to clean. So I'm gonna pick up this black. Okay, I'm gonna really pick it up as you would to do your makeup. I'm gonna apply it like you would to apply the color on your eye. Now we're gonna use the switch, and when I'm doing this, the silicone, which has a more sticky texture than the bristles of the brush, are grabbing that powder. To prove that it's gone, I'm gonna come here on my hand. Gone. Now, to prove that I can switch from a black color to the lightest shade on this palette, you again gonna come to this area. We just used the black in this area. We're gonna use the same area to clean the white shadow, and you will see that the black that the matte already took is not gonna transfer back to the bristles. And you're ready now to use this same brush to apply a third color. You will see the silicone grabbing this color and just keeping it in the matte. It's clean. Come back to my hand. No eyeshadow whatsoever, and I'm free to move to my fourth color with the same brush. Just going from a red, a matte red, to a shimmery gold. The next area that I'm going to talk about is the blending area. I wanted this to mimic the movement that someone would do to normally clean their brushes. It's a round brush, so you usually would clean it with circular motions like this. I'm going to start with the red. The circular motions here. You see that color is completely gone. We get out of a red, we get into a light, very light cream color. Do circular motions, you can see the product stain. We're gonna start with a color like this. Then we will go into a liquid concealer formula. So we're gonna go into the darkest contour shade I have. So we're gonna go from that darkest contour shade that I just used into a very, I'm not gonna use the lightest pink here because it's not gonna show on my skin tone, but I'm gonna go to the next pink one that would very much be affected if I went straight from a dark contour into a blush. There is an area for blush, which is this area here, and you would just do movements of back and forth. You know, I'm showing this on my hand like this, but the best way to do it is just put on your makeup table and just go back and forth like this. And the good thing is that because the silicone is sticky, it will stick to your table too. I'm gonna be very daring here, and I'm gonna go from a very dark blush like this one into the lightest highlight I have. So back and forth, cleaning that brush. So the silicone is grabbing all that dark powder out of my brush. It's completely clean. And there it is. There's the blush, there's the highlight, there's no transfer. We switch the powders, we clean the brush between uses, and it's completely clean. So now you come here, you will look for your highlight area, which is this bottom area here, and you're gonna clean your brush from that highlight, and then you could come back to another blush, you could come back to contour, you could come back to your translucent powder with no transfer whatsoever. And then to deep clean it, just, you know, use the foam. I like to use the foam because the foam just gets in there, and you will just massage it on your sink. Just massage that foam. So that's it. I'm so excited to introduce the Sigma Switch to you guys. I think it's an excellent solution for using a few brushes to do your makeup, to effectively switching colors with no residue on your brushes or on your products or on your skin. You can go from black to white, blue to red. You can go from blush to a highlight, from a contour to a highlight to a blush. No problem. All those areas are separated to help you and guide you on which formula and products will clean the best with each of the textures. This is definitely an innovation that Sigma is introducing to the market. We have several patents on this. Once again, I think we are changing the game, and we're moving the industry forward by introducing a solution that really works. And it works for me. I love to use it when I don't have it on my makeup table. I really miss it. And I hope you love it too. Thank you for watching.